Hello, Omnia family. It's Alan Duncan here, your communications director. We are so excited to be offering the ability for you to make purchases with credit cards, and I'm going to show you exactly how that's done. It's pretty easy. So as you can see, we're here in the dashboard of the back office, and we are in our upgrade countdown period. So we're going to upgrade our package now. We already have a starter pack, so $100 US have already gone into this account. So let's upgrade that. And we want to become Kickstarter. So that's $500. Let's go to the cart. And as you'll see, the $100 has been taken off from our original purchase of the starter pack. So now we only owe $400, and then we'll become a Kickstarter. So let's go ahead and pay with a credit card. Go ahead and continue to next step. Scroll down and you'll notice that a credit card has been added to the payment method section. Go ahead and click that, and then you'll see that it's going to take you to a third-party company called Payeer, a very trusted, great company that's been around for years, very similar to PayPal if you've ever used them. So you're going to set up an account with Payeer. You'll add your credit card, MasterCard, or Visa, and then you'll be able to transfer funds onto your Payeer account, and very easily with the click of a button, submit the payment right over to us at Omnia, and you'll be redirected right back into your dashboard. So let's go ahead and I'll kind of get you started on that, show you how it works. I'm not going to create a Payeer account on here obviously, but I'll give you some tips as to how to do that. So as you'll notice, we've gone to Payeer's website, and you'll see $400. Here's your order ID. omnia-tech looks perfect. Now if you happen to already have a Payeer account, many of you probably do, go ahead and click this. But if you don't, go ahead and choose USD or Euro. Obviously it's a Visa symbol here, but you can pay with MasterCard as well once you've registered. So let's go ahead and hit Euro. And I'll show you the steps on what you're going to do to set this up. Your first step here is you're going to register for a free account on payeer.com. They'll probably send you an email here, obviously. So once you register, fill everything out, you'll probably have an email confirmation. Go ahead and make sure you just follow all those instructions. Once you've done that and you're able to log in, that's the second step. You'll go ahead and log into your wallet. And then you'll see, very similar to our back office, on the left-hand side, there's an area where you can actually add payment methods. You'll see that. You'll go ahead and do that, and that's where you'll add your Visa or MasterCard information. And then the final step, and this is kind of a tiny example here, but hopefully you can see, this is what the Payeer back office looks like. Right here, it's going to show Omnia. It's going to show the $400, and then all you have to do is hit pay, and it will now pay Omnia the $400 automatically. You'll be redirected back to our website, and as it says, congratulations, you did it. So I hope that helps, and if you have any troubles, go ahead and send a message in and let me know how I can make it easier for you. Thanks.